want to know how to survive the zombie apocalypse? Well, I'm going to tell you. Well, come here. Come on. I'm not actually going to tell you. Max Brooks, the writer of the Zombie Survival Guide, is going to walk us through on how to do it. First things first, know how to stay quiet, stay calm. That's all it's about. You got to learn medical first aid, weapons, and how to survive when you are limited on resources. That's all it's about. Hear the dog in the background? He's just as scared as you should be. Today, we're going to walk you through on how to survive in the zombie apocalypse. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Still talking about the Zombie Apocalypse Survival Guide. So what we're going over today is weaponry. We're going to talk about your main rifles and your best handheld weapons. First off, we're going to start with Max Brooks' favorite, the diverse and always potentially useful AK-47 assault rifle. As I have one here, this AK is universal, fed with a 7.62 mag that comes in right here. Fully adjustable stock, can totally fold in on itself, or at least this model. Great rifle all in all, and easy to take out those zombies. For a handheld weapon, don't want something too heavy, because then you're slowed down, and then not everyone has the precision to hit something that's moving with a sledgehammer, you know what I mean? Max Brooks recommends just a regular Craftsman hammer. They're light and heavy and can do any damage you need. Now, for all you skilled shooters out there, careful, this one's for the big boys. Right here we have a PSG-1 semi-automatic sniper rifle, right? Pretty big, pretty long, pretty dangerous. For those who don't know, this gun comes in a 4-bullet magazine. Very safe for the non-average user. This gun will help you protect whatever base you're staying at, wherever you're stationed, from a good range and a safe range. All you need is to be a good shot.